Well, COVID-19 has completely changed life for a specific vulnerable population that we haven't talked about, the 9/11 community.
WPTV News Channel 5's Michelle QUESADA looks into how the coronavirus has impacted a group of New Yorkers, many living right here in South Florida. She is at the Wellington Patriot Memorial.
The 9/11 community expands far beyond the heroes and victims we lost and those who survived. Many were everyday people working near the Twin Towers who later learned how gravely it impacted their health, and now COVID-19 has changed their lives again.
I don't even go food shopping. I use Instacart. I don't go in any stores.
Richard Yodice is living confined to his Boynton Beach home.
Last year, in March, I was diagnosed with prostate cancer.
Oh, wow.
So that's when everything kind of came into perspective about, everything.
He says he worked for Con Edison Power in New York for 38 years. In 2001, he was assigned to work 1 block away from the Twin Towers.
They sent us down there. And it was a kind of horror scene going in there because everything was closed. The bridges were closed, the tunnels were closed.
Attorney Michael BARASCH represents more than 1,500 people in the 9/11 community now living in South Florida. In the last few months, he says he's lost half a dozen to COVID-19 because of their underlying conditions.
There have been 68 cancers linked to the 9/11 toxins. And those people, especially if they've had chemotherapy or radiation, are particularly at risk to the coronavirus.
9 weeks after Richard finished radiation, coronavirus happened.
It's just a crazy thing what's going on now. And there I go, I see people that are not respecting themselves or others, that are not wearing masks.
He won't go out. He missed his granddaughter's communion in New York last week, and this is just the new reality.
This is the way it is for now.
Richard Yodice says for now, FaceTime and Skype are the ways he can see his family. Good news, since he's completed radiation, he's cancer-free. Reporting in Wellington, Michelle QUESADA, WPTV News Channel 5.